Good afternoon, class. I'm audible. Koi ka ngai kiti. Koi mo karagi. Okay. Before we start our class, I will request Jilap Kubichislu. I will request to remind to all the participants. I want to request all to about writing unnecessary thing or unwanted things in chat box. Tupka. Kato mati tupka. Write my you can write only when my voice is not reach out to you. Hamagoji. If my presentation is going fast, and first Zoom is labna. Of course you can ask question, but I'm not able to go through all the question if I miss out your question, then get help from your friends. Get help from your friends and ask your teachers when you get back to school. Okay, even you can ask to me later. So, kare goimu ngai ko hingsang sar goiga. Kare goimu ngai gi tuji class ki kogi labki tuka. Some are not hearing though, so maybe your internet issue kyung the most of the participants are saying I'm audible. Tuka. Once check your internet. Let's start our class by revisiting what we have learned yesterday. What we have learned yesterday. Right on the chat box, the topics mentioned beta once. Let me see how many you guys have revisited what you have learned. Function the main topic is function mo. The main topic function di what mo Here, what you have learned. What is functions in mo? The function to type di what mo? What are the types of the function? What is the calling functions in the Kazam Chilavina? The parameters and argument the syntax of function in CoffeeScript, how we write a code in the CoffeeScript, the function rules this the calling the function and this is the important you will in the block jumper today today I will those who are missed the class yesterday, you can refer the video the PPT refer bit those are not attending the class yesterday. Any topic and today I will directly continue the block jumper exercise. The block jumper exercise that we have done exercise 1 doing last time BMO exercise 1 BMO BMO na exercise 1. So I will continue the exercise 2 continue Did you start exercise 1 from the block jumper? BMO ngaji block jumper start BMO namu. Because I was confused classes the already Zusiba block jumper anigi. Exercise 1 BMO ngaji sugara kaza. Yes mu tuk ngagi and the exercise 2 na go to gitu So and the exercise 2 nalu chisu gi shiba temu analu left hand side part nalu di it is instructions are given in the left hand side part and middle one is that code write binigin then the right side ki part di kachumulajin output inigin batimu katsugi goal gachidi exercise 1 goal gachidi ngaji ani the monkey di to get reached near to start the batimu goal di ani fulfill yasi betamu ngai khaza. So today in exercise 2 nalu the loop ki concept me what is loop chesu loop sabji batimu what is loop ki gachi byong chesu it make the lines of code shorter mu lines of code shorter so down loop ki tile gachi byong tile a loop analta mengagi the overview nalu jogi ngachisu overview nalu jodolu a loop block repeats the blocks inside it for as long as the game runs. The loop block nalu yemigi the loop block na yimigi nana ko jimba timo ani di repeat pyong when we start running the code tukka and how go mu ngaji gi lines of code ani the same in ngaji concept same ra bang that we have learned in the first class and apchibat mu loop ki quality this code makes the sprite steps to the right over and over again until the game is over how go mu the start gi bolu kama ma he chin the step be between me ko lam jo between me 하고 sprite 재미디 character in slap 제가 뭐 아니지 시에 받으면 주수기 안으로 the instruction 조금 let's go to the instruction here drag a loop block from the control library 마치 on the library 두면 아무 아니 library 디수디 what are the two tabs in the function functional tabs 니 받으면 do you remember 가짜를 합지 받으면 가짜를 아니 깔리 아니 chat box 내 detash once there are two tabs in function, right? 안들lungachi the inbuilt function function use payment inbuilt functions in the do you remember inbuilt function is already in the system now immediate but in tuka is developed by somebody ngachi ani already use pay samedi ani develop pay samedi so samedi use pay in tuka inbuilt function is already available in the system in tuka 하고이 아니 use pay도 아니 the libraries lao ngachi library lamedi the inbuilt function in tuka the codes are all written bejaja. So we are using the code that is already developed. Ngaji the code di samedi ngaji use pinikin to ka ani lo libraries lang ani di solo to ka libraries simedi ka china. In order to complete your specific work or action, we are using that library that already developed by somebody and system na luzu jamidi charagi zoni member ro zo jamidi use pedo to ka hani the inbuilt function this use pedo to ka ngaji tato hago imo dele the kash libraries na drag pelo mush loop block de drag pelo and control na drag pelo if you more in order to find easily and konsugi and library lab the color da and control ki library color same dumina ngachi in order to find easily ani gi lo color same be jan konsugi hagui ngachi job be find page ni gi if when you are not familiar with the features ani with the set of ni la but mo in order to move find easily and save time you can any color give it doesn't so to kan control no job and loop block the drag below. We are just now we are doing the block coding. To kanga jan this car block coding as I inform more on if access one better lecture but mo ani the block coding in tuka ani the kashi below. Ani kiti the block coding kiti the ani block coding mo ani the loop the ngaji drag be me drag be because it lo can it to the on run block an on run block se thoinga ipop no ana lo kanik be lo hagui kanik be mush then let's check your instruction is correct or not instruction correct dugo menu ka ta lo ana lo click be ko ani be click be lo the correct version mush ani the green be hale chu te if your instruction is incorrect version on a red be dim to ko chi gan program di run 좀 또 하고이 들어가지라면 drag a step block step 기 같이 비용 아니 step function 기 같이 비용 시무 가서 같이 랩지 받은 뭐 실수로 the step function 기지 아니 in order to move the monkey 아니 the monkey move page 중 step function 기 하고이 delay drag the step block from the movement library 나래 step lamidi drag paylo I'm dragging the step block, then place it inside of the block loop block in 하나로 쭉 하고이 if ngaji mo ani loop use ma byojin ngaji ki program di gas mo ni me ngaji ki program mo ani the step ani bi jo de mo to ani multiple times mo de to ka ani be ani bi the step 1 se ani start gi bolo ma jo se jo de mi ba mo loop me bajin through another way to write the without loop 그치 같이 access wanna be what thing do you remember any one step member 같이 아니 step 300 200세 주잖아요 뭐뭐 사지고 존이기 아니 without loop이 아니디 그러니까 loop나 배워진 the step 1 디 loop 디 repeat 비면 받으면 하고이 비버진은 근데 안에 스텝 1은 그 곰테 레레레레 보주니 메땡아지 베버지 아니 원 버저진 더 루비스 마베지 아니 스텝 1 온디 램비 디고베면 뭐 스타르기 볼로 해니들 you can try later to can those who are laptop and those who are not having laptop you can try when you get back to school to 가니 try 비타 가슴 좀 루비스 베어진 해베 좀 받으 뭐 하고이 let's check 비기 무슨지 더 아크리 가시 뭐 아니기 아니 데커리 가시 딜레 click on the run and see if the monkey reaches to the star the monkey di star ki bolo khemi ka talo tatu dinga chi loop kan sbi sbi ba demo okay the ngachi gold full sbi ase ba demo the this is exercise 2 is using loop image to get a monkey reaches to the star ki tukka now we will exercise 3 na jogi tukka exercise 3 na beojin every exercise they are introducing a new concept tukka new topic introduce payment konjegi hagumi ani platform nalu how about other I'm audible for others some of not hearing properly lo hagoi ga remedies ka de bengai hagumi ngagi loud beer lam ni try betu nale shout di binimi loud beer lab tu nale bini let me see audible do mu okay tuk ngagi ati gole be lab ki tuk gole be lam ni try begi amchi gole be di duru ani joba zomi sube ba tup ya so let's continue my presentation tuk and exercise 3 na beojin the let's see the overview 아니기 overview 타기 tuk concept 타기 같이 tuk in here and let's read together now we call it let me introduce bit mo the on call it let me function di and this the function in function the inbuilt function the on call it block is kachila mulawajin is called when two sprites call it when two sprite lavajin the character ni meet beta lula metupka anu the on call it lounge lo from the naming step the function name step ngaji how go but mo on call it lavajin the meet level time but mo ani the is called when two sprites collide ani two characters meet beta lula be the argument defines the other sprite in the collision the argument mo an argument labdalu ani lame monkeys labdu sunbe ani the function mo ani the argument the value ani meet be me lo the ani study on color with monkey and ani the other in but mo the stargi the to stargi code ni mi ngachi the code thing ngachi gati na dido se shewajin in the above mo ani run gi button gi ani straight na tadolu anul start du mo ngachi the to start gi nanalu code dido to ka tete ani monkey gi nalu code dido shego ni dindo analu monkey gi paron to ka analu hagoi hagumiga dele ani the argument defines the other sprite in the collision hagumi mo ani the start the on color with other sprite language monkey lugumi to ka analu hagoi in example below the monkey is the other sprite in the collision and hagoi mo hanal example na jinditu that I have already explained and sounds are added to the game from the sound tab another thing ga chizuge tab nalu mo ani outcome giolu the result in ginalu and the tab do go 4 tabs there are sprite widget sounds and games tab do what mo che in order to add a sound chigi aji game di leshum zone gi denlo attractive zone gi denlo there is also option to add a sound chigi sound create bini ge to add bini tukka sound gatil add bini lawajin ane sound tab tukka sound tab analu thome yang gi ero ani sound tab nalu add bini imi tukka sound di so that analu add bini me shebe gi tukka that instruction jo dalu kadebi add juni na di I will show in the instruction jiga hagui the destroy block jemi function gi kachi biong lawajin delete the sprite from the game ki game na imi sprite do men mo and start the monkey to that to present the destroy lambi ki function jemi de lachi biong patum ani kachi biong lawajin ani the sprite mo monkey the star this remove bit down, delete bit down, 하고이. The overview 하고이 뭔지. delete instruction jogi. Let's go to the instruction. Let's go to the instruction. Number one 나다가 뚜까 하나. First instruction 하루 add a sound by clicking on the green plus button. First rogachi below. 아니 sound tab 너 줘로 delete clicking on the green plus button. 아니 plus 두면은 뭐 아니 add 비니기 sound 주기 하나로 add 비로 then select the 뭐 저기 sound select 비시. 아니 first 그 select 비밍하기. delete first 너도디 아니 name the my sound 세 두못 뭐 대부다로 instruction을 가시라며. instruction을 name it win로 win 세 아니 name set 비로 my sound instead of my sound rename as win 하고이. The rename beaming aji. Rename G mongaji rename G. The second instruction the kachlami. Choose a star sprite from the sprite tab. Now, anilo. Ani sprite na jobe choose the star character the choose pelo. Now I'm choosing the star character. Now we are in the star code na ituka. Drag a play sound block from the game and sound library. Game and sound library do kamatalu. Anale kachi drag below. Play sound zemi drag below on a play sound. Play sound tomega hani the drag below and place it inside of the on-called block. The on-called block nalu place below hagui. Now we will check whether my instruction correct or not. Instruction correct jasimuda. below. The drag or destroy block from the display library. And the display library na the destroy blocks imidi drag below. How good? Destroy gigashi benilabjiku function. Destroy function will remove or delete your character. Okay. How good? Anally destroy the drag B and place it inside our own called block. Then it place it inside on called block in nana lutulo. Zuituka. How good? Now I'm running and click on run and see if the monkey reaches to the star. The monkey the star boluka hemigata lo hagui. Then listen to the sound played that you have said beba the sound mo ani the listen belo whether the sound is displaying or not. Tukka che sound play jomiga mijuga listen belo. Hagui, they notice that star is no longer in the game, and after the monkey collect with it. Hagui, and star the monkey collect bedolu and functionally what the mo when star is on collect with monkey, then play a sound and destroy the star. And start the destroy betans, so let's notice no, which again notice below and bemigata. Destroy jomigata lo, sound great bemigata lo. How great! I'm running the program to run beginning again. Run be mush, run be the sound tamal. Sound great, catch up the mush. That to let you can try later to 아니, that to sound 8 benigi 타이모 아니 exercise 3나 sound 8 benigi 시주모 destroy benigi 시주모 가지고 function 가지고 use benin then the destroy 기 function 가지고 배우나 시주모. Let's go to the exercise 5. Exercise 4, sorry. Exercise 4는 저기 똑까. And exercise 4는 저기도 and let's see the overview. The overview talking. Let's add a sprite. Analudi sprite 가디비 add benina to tukka. The character 가디비 add benina. Sprite can edit from the Sprite tab by clicking on the green Add New button, similar to the adding sound, and the Sprite the same way and add pinning. The process will be all same. Step will be all same. And choosing an image. Second one is choose the image and clicking on the OK button. They'll choose base hash OK button. 하고요. A Sprite's property can be updated from the setting icon. And the setting icon the monkey the properties include the properties law jahan dismi the position of sprite position of monkey position of the star ani ki position disu yato ga jani na mata jani na position dis change bi go gajin properties na jol ani the setting icon na click baby hagui the affected by gravity law jin meaning gravity ki meaning shi ga mu chesugi ngachi science la hamni ba mu chesu science la hamni ba mu gravity what is gravity ka chimu ngachi mu in order to land to the land benig dilu ngachi due to the gravity you landing mush hani sumbe the ngachi gravity me ba ngachi namka jump de wa jump ber liu de due to gravity you're able to land to the land be to be but mu hani labe similar to that concept 아니 monkey 되면 야토가 남가셔버진 같이 gravity the 엘로 마셔버진 아니 the gravity 아니 features use 마벼진 아니 같이 run beauty 예매나 아니 monkey 말 월기 토칼레 멤버 야 남칼레빌 남조비도 하고이 아니 딜라미 gravity 하고이가 then the number 3D immovable lamidi the move pe matlab zoni gimi 하고이 무페 마투 데 아니 캐릭터 디더 무페 마투 베수니미 하고 메모 let's go to the instruction 조기 가디비나 가디비 아니 무페 마투 비나디 하고이 instruction 따기미 let's read together add a star sprite by clicking on the green plus button same dumush tachigi ani a sound 8-bit gazibi steps are all same and name it a star then Sprite na jobe add ani button na jolo then start select pelo there are so many characters so ani madu lashigi but in block jumper they have disabled the other character but when you higher up the level of the game creation na jojin the when you get to the class 7 na lo platform mo andi se yojin chi ani gar tatup chi ani character madu halami ba andi gar tatup in block jumper tatu di ni jam chi tatup etuka the instruction kashlim da wajin select the start the select be lo mo chi select baby tel okay na ego tu ka ne button ul app ani app chi mo ngi app the name the star be jalo mo already name is star be jano na lo tu ka hagui tele and change the star's x value to the 500 the property change pin mimi ngaji set it from the setting icon no jobe ani star gi na change pin mimi imeda to the ani setting icon no jobe ani x gi dumen xy position change pin imeda monkey gi position tuka monkey lo the star gi position change pin imeda to the star gi position tuka ani beojin and to change the stars x value to 500 ani di 300 02 ani di 500 no change be down changing okay change beaming again then uncheck the allow gravity option ana allow gravity simiduga allow leveraging the gravity the use space semi analo allow benimi gravity di hagui devidalu ana instruction gachilam leveraging uncheck the allow gravity ani check beam it uncheck be thano ani click tick mark duga ani tick mark map solo ani beojin you can just click on the ani box no click page ani uncheck 좀 duga gravity leveraging 뭐지 아니 study that place 가티도 하나를 대용 뚜까 맞다 비묘 뚜까 하고이모 딜레 check the immovable option now 아니 the uncheck 비도모 다또 tick 마베누 콘스기 데브 the instruction 로 they instruct to check the immovable option 아니 the check 베타로 just you can click on the box 아니 비우지 the check 정도가 check beimi the instruction correct see now the on-colored ki concept mo na lolokti this is repeating the concept okay ani datu ani exercise for the how to add this sprite in me hani di temi mo menra the hani di this concept is repeating drag a on-colored block from the events library the events library nale on-colored block di drag be lo hagui drag be mingagi drag be let's check ani check beta anyway and drag the play sound block from the game and sound the sound play binigidelu in order to play a sound, drag this play sound from the game and sound block library. Nale drag B, then place it inside the on-called block. On-called block nale 2 lo. Let's check the instruction is correct or not. Agree. The correct decimal dangaji. The drag the destroy block from the display library lo. On the display library le drag the any destroy lami function the drag payload and place it inside of the on-called block. On-called block 하네무sh 안을 place 베타로 하고이. 다 아니 프로그램이 같이 변입니다. 저기 하고디가 제 아니 visualize 베이스비가 다 프로그램이 같이 변임이. The concept will be same more and access is treat the same do tami. When the star is on-called meet with the monkey, the sound will be play and destroy the or delete the star. Hani betang tuk hagui. Let's run and see if the monkey reaches to the star. Monkey di star number bologa hepji kachi bemi ta tukka. Hani function di the kachlo the star di delete jomi ka ta tukka. Instead go bologa hepji the sound play bemi ka ta tukka hagui. I'm running the code tukka ta run bidumi. Ki chapdi mo, ki chapdi ka. Get study ye asibati mo dadi ye judi minamo hagoi the hagome on lamidisu. So next moving into the exercise 5. Exercise 5 ni jogimi. Now here again the concept will be different. Now the concept so chi ani introduce payment hagoi. Here, make it more fun. Make it more fun. Topics make it more fun. And overview na tage. Ito pa nga just overview na tage. See, from the game tab gati do toinga. Game tab gati do. Game tab ana dumush. Ana the output ki woldu. The last one is game tab. Hani game tab lami. Hani game tab. You can change some of the game's property. Hani game's property la wichin chigi hani game gi kolimi. Game gi property mu game gi chigi background chigi hani area kamchi shani na the game gi area. Hani this change bit uplo. For example, world size. The world size labda ngai lab chuma timu dato. The area of the game. the area of game mo 저기 space game gi space zone gi me chunku zone na bomb zone na zoto blo hani world area ya di zoto blo and right the sprite the camera should follow hani ki kachila milawajin and the target camera se batinga chana lui instruction lu jogi hani camera gi katibi work bemega you will see in the difference while using the camera and not using the camera gi difference shit so 저기 in instruction 저 다들 똑까 다또디 아니 just overview 때문에 똑까 game gravity is gravity the meaning same 돼 다시 gravity rain 똑까 아니 마타 pull down 베니기 감지 센진 pull down 베니나 안디스 존이기 미 똑까 and after making the game world bigger 같이 game world bigger zo진 and click on the drag icon 아니 drag icon 토미가 아니 left 나도 and left side nulu icon jibe michi handis tomega hana second na imiti drag benigi imi hani gi function di kachi beong lawajin hani gi drag be to tuka kati be drag be lawajin chigi imagine your the game area make bigger mo chi me bigger yasi ti chigi pagi side nulu at game area kati be duga tani gi tendo hani icon the use baby drag pin into kotamo jikabi lapking jisu in the top right corner to scroll and move around the game screen no I love to sumbe nalu and click on the arrow icon to switch back look the any icon le anal switch pin the arrow icon nalu aplo hakui and tiles now here tiles the what is tiles Kachomi chase tiles labdulu. Anna tiles can be used to draw the game world. Tuka. Ani chitsugi ani the world grid bini handisu the tiles lao in order to make a tile or draw the tiles, you can click on the pen brush. So you see in pen brush in the ani icon yatagi ani madu do minamo the two ani world create pinigi di lo anzumbe gachi gani be zotu blo ani di hagui delete in order to erase the tiles ana eraser in ani di eraser shape do mina ani be the erase be down lo ani di no erase pinigi into ani di. Let's go to the instruction no jogi gachi su instruction jogi change the world's weight to the weight level chinani the height weight chimuchi masnal hamni wadan concept this mo weight level chin chigyani the area the pata left side na right side na bomb zone igi den ani de lami tukka ani world's weight lami di hagui analu tadolu mata game gi tab bolu tash ana tadolu Tatu gamjitu 600 rumina area ani gamji solo 100 200 nalu solo 1200 nalu hagui the 1200 zoimingagi so be this dorura there is also background change binigedu analu chi ani background cloud to migawe lawajin chi start na change biru be kachina change biru be there is the background choose binigedu topka so you can upload the image that chiragi image upload bini beru to be topka as your requirement the tv topka hagui ani the option do that the instruction na mindu an bininga ani berjai that cloud ki background rajai mari that now click on the run and notice that monkey disappear after the working across the screen. Now the any monkey the run once program the run beta lo run beta the any monkey the yejo mega ta lo how we let's now I will run ngai run begi me any I'm running the code to monkey disappear jodega jodi mo monkey disappear jodi mo in order to no monkey disappear majuni gidelo in order to follow with monkey kachi begula wachin set the camera target to the monkey the camera di now the use of camera the hana himi tukka the use of camera di nali himi the use of camera gatili bimi lawachin and the camera target sumi tukka ani drop down law ani drop down nale the camera the monkey nalu set pelo when the monkey moves towards the right the ngachi monkey chika bijuni monkey in order to no monkey disappear majuni delu ye majuni gidelu and the monkey lu camera set bego tukka in order to follow with monkey tukka hagui let's run the code and notice tukka ngade bebe metagi I'm running the code now nga run bedumi ngachi monkey chikar jodimu monkey kate jo sta tsubi minmu ngachi monkey disable mi joy minmu ani camera gibe tukka how good ani camera gi function gade bebe diga how go mega let's stop the code now gachi beme drag the game to the see the rest of the game area mo ngachi without running the program without running the program if you want to see the game area tanigedo if you want to see the game area click on the this icon and for beduga and click belo click bebe scroll right magic drag belo and the anebe drag bini anebe drag bedolu game area tatsu tuka ngachi run program run bedo the monkey lamjo the chikabe tatsu be but mo game area because we have already we are setting the camera to the monkey ani bindigi the without running the program the game area tani lawajin you can just click on this icon and drag just simply drag it to ani be the chigi game area tatsu hagome tele alog the back juni gi tele arrow na lo epta to ka tatunga chi arrow na youtube khane green hello judi na arrow na hagui ani ani lame tele last instruction add a tiles to make a part to the star analu ngachi ana star gi bolu khaini dilu there's no part mo there's no wall hani di the ngachi gi click on the pen brush to add a tiles and click on the desired tiles and then click on the game screen to edit the hani lame in order to add tiles mo that the just they are introducing the features kadibe use pinina ani pen brush na jobe the tiles the 8 page hani pinino andinga already show mo in order to erase it mo I'm repeating again and again hagui ani the erase penigi into ka ani the shibi mo garagi shibi let's run the program 아니 다투디 가데비 아니 the game 기 properties 가데비 존이나 안 디스 때문에 또 가니 exercise 5 나 let's go to the exercise 6 나 저기 말이가지 now I'm here at exercise 6 exercise 6 네 말이 취소 exercise 6 네 이가 스크린 통수배 나게 exercise 6 네 유다 또 exercise 6 나 배워진 the topic is speed upload speed upload 그시미 저기 캐릭터디 the monkey 딜람 저거 조준이기 될로 양진 슬로비 조준이 길로 아니지 유스빈입니다. 가데비 유스빈이 나와진 the set a step block changes the sprite speed. If one is a default speed lamidi 뭔가 지금 step 2지 1비라 오메바 스텝 디모 아니 default 랑 똑까 ngaji zonimi bad mo ni ngaji drag bedoru 1비라 demin ani lo default lami 1 the default in low a number larger than 1 1 2 3 and this would in order to speed up the character ani dilu use pe me in order to slower be jonigi dilu di between 0 and 1 lo set pe lo hago memo okay let's see in instruction gadi bi jomiga instruction을 줘도 instruction 1을 단 말이 뚝까 instruction 1을 줘도 drag a set step block from the movement을 줘be 같이 drag below set step speed drag below 뭔가 지기 아니 set speed 토미가 미토미 받는 뭐 하는 so you can drag the 안에 맞다 아니 drag 비니기도 봐 아니 drag 비 뚝까 다음에 추수 미통 베이스에 고통 비디도 아니면 아니 drag 비 맞대기 뚝까 so you can delay and set speed 톰치 stop 베이샤베 you can drag this set speed drag 비 then instruction 있다고 connect it to the on run block 나로 connect 베로 connect 베 아니 이 condition 주도록 block must be before the loop block 아니 the loop block before 나와진 뭐 before the loop 기 해머줄 하고 미가 I'm running checking the instruction the correct 하시버디 뭐 the change 1 to the 0.1 the speed the 아니 1이미디 0.1을 다 0.1을 set 베로 yeah, set bit me. Then to click on the run and see if the monkey moves really slowly. 아니 below the one 여지 monkey the slow 줘 but 뭐 아니 slow 조미가 따로 I'm running the code 뚜까 slow 조미가 아직 monkey slow 조미 but 뭐 so let's stop the code now 그실람 instruction 아니 0.5 the change into 1.4 널 change be download change be mo 도로 run baby notice below see the monkey moves faster monkey that's faster be move be미가 알로 monkey faster be move be미가 tommy mo at faster be move be미 but 뭐 거기 아니 디미 아니 나또 내가 실합지라진 같이 speed set be니 합지 뚜까 줘봐 주니기 되는 하고 미모 또 let's move to the 7 exercise 뚜까 7 exercise는 주의미다 또 줘도 now Analuduru concepts sosuchi boundeduru. Analudi about the gaps. Topic is about the gaps. About the gaps la wajin. Analuchi suking output na tonsubega. Analudumina gap tumush anidi overcome binimi. Kadibi overcome binin. 거의 the on gap tab function이 같이 배우 나와진 the on gap tab block is called 아니 function 그냥 called 배우 나와진 anytime you type or click anywhere on the game area the monkey needs to jump over the gaps and the jump block makes the sprite jump 하고이 아니 jump function이디 monkey jump 해줘 아니 function이디 an on gap tab no limiti 같이 배우 나와진 아니 gap 되면 뭐 아니 gap 봄지 같이 아니 game area로 tab 배탄로 in order to jump the monkey 하고 in order to jump the monkey and avoid falling into the gap 같이 game area로 click or tab 배탄로 so in order to jump the monkey 하고이가 instruction을 저기 똑같은 instruction을 줘도 you will get more drag an on-game tab block from the event library. Event library na jo be kachi drag peglo. On-game tab lamidi drag be lo where is on-game tab. Ana dum on-game tab. On-game tab di drag be drag baby chigi and screener according to moon chigi ani kadibi jaru tu bani tuka Dilingon drag B mi click check B instruction ponuga then drag the jump block from the movement library nale jump block the 10 low and place it inside the on game tab hagui analu suida hagui and click on the run and then jump over the gaps by clicking or tapping or clicking in the game area. Can you get the monkey to reach the star on the right? She tried below the program run baby. When the monkey about to fall into the gap and then click below and the game area by clicking on the screen to make the monkey jump into other side. Tupka the word nalu. Kadibi jump it. Let's run baby tupka. And run baby. And the monkey fall jo papa di monkey ani boloka world boloka heni beauty ngaji tap baby yata chongo topka hagui tatu dinga yani mata ziasi batmo you can try ani ana bolok hepchi ani jump in gi delo tap be da topka ani function gi on tap game gi ani use be me topka monkey pata jump jo juni hagui ani pa start gi boloka ma he juni to bani be hagui mo so you can try yourself topka Dili exercise 8 na jogi. Exercise 8 na location lamina jin. On call it the world bound. Oh, that's concept continuing that exercise 7 naludi when monkey fall into the gap kachi maybe but mo ani di logdira jambi ni gi kokop chimi but mo there's opportunity mo jambi ni but in here in exercise 8 nalo beojin machi ani gap dumena ani gap ki nana ziuchi ani monkey di log starting point ki ni gi tuk reset game gi function gi ani beo hagui hagomemo hagomiga dilli ani tamari the on-collet with a world-bound block is called anytime a sprite reaches to the game world-bound. Game world-bound 재미디 아니 boundary 줄라비 아니 다또 gap 줄라비 똑까 하고이 delay 아니 reset game 기디 같이 배운 나와진 block reset the game to its starting configuration, starting point, including all the sprite or widget. 하고이 아니 기디 같이 배운 나와진 아니 reset game 기 function 기디 the character the first beginning the gati ani game ra reset be down the starting point lo zo down first layer be chung lo che hagui ani is reset game gi function hagui ga on call it with the world bound block the gachi na hagui mo ga debi na the on call it with the world bound gi function di ani gap this level to boda to the gap lula miss hago da to ka the instruction na jogi to ka add a sound name it fail Add sound graduate beni ngaji. Do you remember how we add a sound? A sound you tap the job, click on the add new button and select the sound whatever you like and add. Click on the add now app. The kachila instruction name it fail. Ani my sound member fails the name be lo hagui name be me and choose a monkey sprite from the sprite tab. Sprite tab na job monkey to select be lo choose be lo. I'm choosing the monkey. And the monkey select page and the monkey ki code na hiung to put that on the monkey ki code na hidime na mo. And drag an on color with world bound block from the event library. Event library drag the on color with world bound zemiti. Drag below. I'm dragging this function to drag baby. Let's check instruction is correct or not. And change left to the down in the on color with world bound block. The drop-down 메뉴가 더 주시기. 아니로 drop-down 메뉴로 아니 두가 같이 클릭 비치 아니 옵션 템이고 아니로 drop-downs로 두가 아니 left 예미디 down로 change 비로 같이 비 down로 change 비는 같이 why 아나도 같이 gap디 야타두가 민두면 뭐 gap 거기 아니 on color with world bound 라진 아니 좀 the left downs and 좀 인슬랍 집어도 뭐 아니로 다또 in your game na kachi dulawachin ani gap di mata be to mena mo hani binigi down se select be me dukka hagui Now, drag a reset game. The reset game function the drag payload from where? Katili drag payload. Game and sound library drag payload. And the reset game se thombiga. Ani the drag payload. Place it inside our own collet with wall bound blocks. Hagui ani ki block na nalu sulu. Hagui ga. Na me. So let's check instruction is correct or not. Correct yasimu nga instruction correct judimu. Jui delay. Take a play sound block from the game and sound. Game and sound ನಲ್ಲಿ 같이 drag below. Play sound semi function the drag below. I'm dragging this play sound then 같이 below. Place it inside the on college with world bond block. 아니기 block 맨나 아니기 block 아니기 function on college with world bond function 나나 수로 주의미하기. let's check the instruction. Instruction is correct. And change the win to the field in the play sound blocks. Drop down menu. Drop down menu, select below. You have to select the sound we have created earlier. And if you create beam, I need to select below. How go select being again. Delay. Click on the run. Click on the run and let's then let the monkey fall into the gap and see if the game restarts. Tato di gachi pillar milojin. Then game run baby. Ani hokka bomen amo gap ani gap na lo monkey di joju lo nana jobe logdila ani starting point ni gati do monkey ani beginning point ni do matamo ani lo logdira hemi gata alo ani reset function gi work bemi gata alo not spell tukka not spell me tukka. I'm running the code. Mata joji logdira ani monkey gati di ana lokki de minamo ani dilami hagui reset function gi ani labi hagui ga hagui mo the exercise 9 ne jogimi. In exercise 9 read the overview. Just overview read page ato. Read page chaiga garagi read page chaiga. Datu di ngaji gashi beni lawajin. Dialog box. The dialog box the kasum chino lawajin displaying the message. If you win it, if you the pamura win the message display beni kandi beni the users lo players lo the game players lo. If you win, then you are well done. lam님이 아니로 dialogue salon 똑까 display the message 똑까 아나로야 which games 들로야 when you playing game just that I'm giving example same the mobile legend 나와지 if you win 뭐 아니 지 win 배워진 그치람니 victorious 되니면 뭐 안순배 the message 되니버데 뭐 아니순배 the message the display 비니기 똑까 아니야 하고이 a dialog widget lets you to display a message. Chigi ani same zonimidida. Chigi, if you fulfill your goals, mo fulfill your display binibi message. 하고 아니 좀 zonimi chigi mess. 아니 the game di. Edit from the widget type by clicking on the green plus button, and you can set the message using a set text block. The message use binibi the set text block nali use paylo the widget the dialog the bilogin and the widget tab na jobe click on the add new button or jobe add paylo hakoi and the add benimi. And at first the dialog widget is hidden. The show block, the show function makes a sprite or the widget appear in the game. Hakoi first the thing game start build the dialog box this meeting mo. If you fulfill your game, 아니 build the dialog show being but mo 아니 라미. First the dialog box hidden be shown hide be shown and it will be show mo check game the overjo. check game overjo do 아니 the show being 아니 show semi 아니 도면 show semi function 기 show being check dialog box the 하고이 the 아니 the function the concept 오면 나도. We have learned the function yesterday, right? How we define the function and how we call the function. 아니 the anal implement bill. 하고이 in order to do something with a sprite or widget from the another sprite or widget, the sprite widget the widget the katika chitsung lawajin tato dialog box and chung sprite the character hashi about mo chisugi use the function block anilo in order to do something with a sprite or widget from another sprite or widget use a function lo mo ngachi ani the sprite below widget below chikichulu communicate peni chikichulu labini gitendo the function use pale or function use block for example define the function in the monkey sprite be watching chiki define the function 가디비 define 비디가 찌르도가 맞지 합집하다 뭐 아니 define for example 지안이 또 function d sprite 기나로 define 배워진 the monkey sprite 나로 define 배워진 then call that function into the star sprite 나로 아니 call 배일 아니 function d calling function and defining function 기 concept 찌르 따인 거다 do you remember 아니 the implement 배니 밑에 뭐 지안이 marshmallow roast 배로 기 찌르도가 when we are defining the name of the function ross it's a the define be batimo ani nando step the name batimo kadibi ross benina if in order to roast the marshmallow again in next time kashi 배운 거지 아니 function 기 name 잠지 call 배운 batimo step gar dini maybe dini maybe 나가지 아니 순배 the that concept will implement here tuka 아니 same concept 하나 implement 줘 하고이 when calling the function win message, it will display a dialog box with the message you want. I need the overview. Let's follow the instruction. Instruction follow being and add a dialog widget by clicking on the green plus button. Analu widget na dumu madato. Anal jobe ani plus na eplo. Then select the select below. And the dialog the select below. Then click on the add button, the add beauty, the dialog name the dialog session. But here already dialog session on tupka. Ani dialog box on zoom lang tupka analu. Ani the already center no to tupka ani center no do. And the center no drag below. Now moving to next ani actually steps. Uncheck the show option. Machi ani properties stand the kadibi juigo tachi. Do you remember? An icon the job is on but the move. Tatu show benumen consegue tension and the uncheck belo hagui. Uncheck la watching a cashina lapchi but the mood. Anal uncheck better disappear jumbo kushani dialog box. Machi shows them with uncheck be time but the move. Martin slapchi but the hand bening. Disappear asituka. And drag the function now. The function lo drag a function do something semi function yellow from the object function and object function to do anale function do something semi the drag below they set the function name instead of the do something right because right below win message semi the right below this is function name okay instead of writing to do something we are replacing we are renaming the function name win message rename be to function name the win message in tuka we are defining the function name is win message tuka ani nanalu the steps 중 가지기다 steps 가지기 similar concept the 제일 따위가 주수 가대비 아니 the roast this 가대비 be가 the 가짜 가대비 아니 relate be도 똑같다 동하기 and drag the set text blocks from the widget library and the widget library 아니 the library in tuka 아니 library and the widget library 날에 같이 drag bill 같이 drag set text lamidi drag bill mush and I'm drag bedungagi drag baby you can place it inside the win message function block 아니 win message function block 날로 줄로 아니 the steps in tuka steps 가지기 the function define baby steps 뒤에 봐도 뭐 아니 좀 뒤져 있나 같이 비닌다 function 라 같이 비닌 아니 뒤도 똑까 delay 같이 빌 next instruction set the text to the you want and empty text to go 아니 inverted comma 누구시 아니 나로 text 딜로 같이 딜로 you want the 딜로 하고 미무시 delay drag a show block from the display Display show blocks immediately drag below and place it inside the win message function tool. 아니 function 같이 비밀 쉐치가 아니 win message the function naming we are creating in the widget and the widget 뭐 dialog 나로 code 배도 아니 function is code 하나로 배도 아니 the the win message the function name is name of function, and then the steps 가지고 아니 the dialog box 있더니 you want the message to display benin 도가 아니 show 기디 아니 dialog box 아니 이거로 message dim이 show 변도가 아니 function 기디 show 비다 하고 이모 I'm repeating again 하고 너무 취소 하고 메가 now the calling the function the concept use me daddy choose the start sprite from the sprite tab. Now we are writing the code in the another the so sprite knowledge domain. Select the start key and the select b lo. Start the select b me start the select b the drag the dialog.win message function block from the other object function library. Other object function nalle ani the drag b lo. Now we are calling the function. That's dialog की dialog way जन नलू मच को डिजाइ बतमु आनी function की name कशे win message है बतमु we are tracking that function we are calling that name function की name call बेतो तो का in another sprite नलू another the another कुछ लो character नलू तो का how another sprite नलू बेतो मच and call बेतो and place it inside the on call it आनल place बेता लो how मेगा and please be me. Please be mo. Please be with the ani ngachi program gi expectation kachung lawachin. The expectation kachung lawachin. Mo ani study the ngachi program that you run be me di ani use pedir de do kana program nalu. When on call when star is on called with monkey, the sound will be displayed. And the star will be disappear. The remove jo delete jo then kachibyo. 아니 message 것이 call be what 뭐 아니 function call be mean 아니 function 이 work 같이 be 저도 아니 widget 나 lungachi the dialog box create be 해 봤대 뭐 아니 you want send me the display 병도가 하고 and click on run and then see if the monkey reaches the star and the message shown 아니 message 뭐 같이 widget 나 DJ 뭐 아니 the show be me 달로 뚝가 the any the function any function create beje anadu function ki name the win defines here win message the dj any function the standard loop call be the function calling concept is implementing out here tuka now I'm going run big tuka program chi any gap na do zero chi name log the registered baby the one game di because we have already set in earlier exercise in but mo and earlier exercise na gachi behind this so chika be run bi jo tum tuka nagi ani try bigi ani start na maju sin start na hit the cham dialog box te ani message ti tuka I will try to run this program and see the nana which restart jo demo chege and try be tuka ani jam baby the two that ngai try be do jam consume jo me but mo ani di mapa pa jump tatungagi temtek binimi and run binigi lo you can try yourself to later na try bit to ka machi game di the part gara hewachin di mena start gi bolo hewachin ani dialog box ta chi ti me da mo ngai dialog box ka sumina ani di display be to ka you can try yourself to ta ta ma try be ani gap na jump binigi de lo di ani area na lo tap be to ka hakui ani 10 gi lapki ani 10 di 아니 닉체럴로 game create 배주미 거기 하고이 design it as you like and build your own game and share it with your friends and start your game creating by completing these steps and then add more fun features to it 하고 뭐 줄로 아니 game create 배주미 줄로 option 지미 game create 배니게 하니 instruction 두까 you can read again once when you get back to school 두까 and remove the sum tiles to create a gaps the gaps create benigidilo the remove pego but mo ani world is ani the remove pelo remove benigidilo 같이 use pego do you remember eraser use pego but mo ani the remove pe tano 하고이 delay choose the monkey sprite select baby and set speed and speed set bello 지기 차라기 set bello 아니 monkey 디도까 아니가 지기 movement 조be and set step set speed do면 set speed the select baby and it is select baby and connect into the on the jig instruction same repeat baby on to run the connect baby before the loop connect bello delay any speed the chi two jar 같이 jar 샤도 차라기라 the tunga default better shade you can try yourself Anjuli mo the just the dialogue which kade bi just pin the car shi chu ba mo chu su han chu bi et pe mo mo ma ji ani dialogue et pe ani bi et be ta mo da chi ge dialogue da an zum ten de ma pa ta tu ka ani your text here lam you want to ten de to if you complete the ani chi complete bi jo chi tu ka chi dialogue box et bi ni mi just the dialogue which for the which type and define the message to display and the monkey reaches to register. 대체 아니 같이 드니나 아 아니 message는 같이 드니나 디차라기 디얼로 같이 주로 디얼로 차라 아 뭐지 your creativity 치 creative the TV 같이 주로 디얼로 다또 생각이 well done 시샤이 다또 well done 시샤이 또 방에 다또 can try yourself 아니 the run 비타기도 봐 아니 디 게임 차라 create 비니기도 몰랍니다 하고이 아니 함치레인 아니 다투 게임기 뭐 추수 게임 크레이트 비니기 된로 체력이 대시폰으로 아니 크리에이션 이미지 추수기 맞다도 온다도 아니 딩아기 대시폰인 뭐 아니 티처기 대시폰인 아니 추기에는 잡드는로 라이프 이제 사이드 라운 뭐 아니 슬로마 티기 아니 사이드로 아니 게임 크리에이션 이미지 추수기는 아니 크리에이션으로 조비 게임 크레이트 비고도 아니 게임 크레이트 비니레인 추수기 지수 드라이빙이 되는 똑까 지수기 차라기 그램 그레이트 비수 아니비 하고이모 하고이가 그대비 하고이가 지수기 대리 게임 그대비 그레이트 비디 그대비 주디 하고디 아치 하고이가 뭐 before end up the class 아니 the next 나버 아니 holiday into 거 나버 classmate 똑까 나버 holiday me 나버 classmate so we will resume the class in Thursday na lungagi ani begobi we are already behind syllabus but mo class 4 the 5D already behind hingachi so I'm thought of no taking combined class take pin to what Thursday na lo and note bejame incoming class na lo in next class that was Thursday nabadi chutin nabadi holiday the Thursday coming Thursday na lo I'm going to take class together class 4 and 5 class chikabi take bini to combine baby take bini the class is already I deva chisule now the program gidilu ani program gidilu we left only 2 days time to left hasi and bini gidilu the topic cover mijunism do so chisu the already one class behind deva te bilisi bate khasanin program ani as issue tembi an bindigi next Thursday no omdalu class 4 and class 5 I will take class together okay 뚜까 하고이 타이밍 디 남남 몰라왔진 class 4 디 9:30 to 10:30 텐데와 아니 때문에 취소에 join 비 뚜까 class analu 취소에 join 비나 딜레이 취소디 12:30 to 1:30 인바데 뭐 analu에 join 비다 뚜까 니 채널로 join 비다 I will share the link 뭐 group channel 니 채널로 share 비면 뚜까 link di but I was teaching the different topic me each channel beginning nalu 9:30 to 10:30 nalu topic 쏠 수 있대요. The 12:30 to 1:30 nalu topic 쏠 수 있대요. 어떡하 하고이가 가 이다툴라미디 같이나 하고이가 아니 타스틴 나루 클래스 컴벨 밑에 또 클래스 4 and 5 I'm repeating again 아니 지수 클래스 미스 조세 노미 안 빈디기 so one dinner class ni take bini I will teach a different concept the topic ni chara so te unto ka hagui mo ani gar hagui mo ani time di 9:30 to 10:31 class te ho till 12:30 to 1:31 class te unto ka the topic will be different okay I will take class together hagui ga tuk dariam chire mi tuk ka thank you all for your time and those who are not able to catch up with me you can refer my video that I'm recording this video so I'll share in the group chat tuk ngai group chat share be so you can revisit through the video tuk ka kachi tinga today's class there is no ppt tuk there ppt ni and video jamji tuk video share be jang ani di revisit be tuk also you can get help from your friends mo friend help in try be and ask your teachers when you get back to school tuk and also you can touch with me if you want to clarification go 하신 똑까 이제 먼저 하마고 하신 똑까 okay thank you class thank you all the students and teacher as well thank you see you next class